World Book Day falls on Thursday, March the 7th, 2024 this year. Eleni, mae'n diwrnod llyfr y byd ar dydd Iau Mawrth y 7th. Cofiwch cydio yn eich tocyn llyfr sy'n gwerth £1 cyn ymweld â'ch siop llyfr lleol. Chi gallwch gyfnewid am llyfr arbennig diwrnod y llyfr neu am ostyniad o bint o unrhyw llyfr arall. Don't forget to grab your book token and head to the nearest bookshop, where you can exchange this £1 book token for a special World Book Day book, or you can use it to get a £1 discount off any other book. Dyma rhai llyfrau arbennig diwrnod y llyfr sydd ar gael eleni. Let's have a closer look at some of the special World Book Day books that are on offer this year.
Ffeithiau Thuaidd y Corff. Bydd yn barod am daith sy'n archwilio'r corff dynol ffiaidd ac afiach. Mae'n ddigon I droi dystumog. Llyfr ffeithiau doniol I blant sy'n cario unrhyw ffeithiau rhyfedd ac ychaddu.
Investigators high-rise hijinks. A mysterious figure has robbed the bank, but it's not just the money that's gone missing, it's the whole building has disappeared. It's up to secret agents Mango and Brash to go undercover and solve the mystery.
Deadwood Creepy Creations. Deadwood High is a school like no other. Angelo and his friends are used to battling horrifying creatures at school. Giant spiders that fire poison darts, brain-biting worms that burrow into your flesh, and vampire birds that drink your blood.
12-year-old Onyeka is enrolled at the Academy of the Sun, a school for superheroes called Solari. When she's sent on a mission with her friends to investigate a series of freak weather incidents in a remote village, they aren't expecting to find a top-secret Solari with extraordinary powers.
Lledrith y Llyfrgell. Diolch wym ddim yr un fath â phobl anghyffredin eraill pentref Llanswym yn Mochrith. Does gan ni ddim plentau hyd a lledrith.
The Doomsday Date. The hilarious, heart-soaring story of one night, two friends and a list that will change everything. Perfect for teen readers. On the day before the world is meant to end, Sanjeet dyes his hair pink. He's determined not to die without ever having really lived.
Can you get a jellyfish in space? Can you get a jellyfish in space? You will meet the microscopic creatures that can survive in the vacuum of space and wonder, could aliens really exist?
Haha connect. Jokes top a lluniau twbach. Mae fe'n casglu o jokes top a lluniau twbach, cartwnau rhygymau a thwpra o bob math gan cartwnydd Hugh Aron.
Greg the Sausage Roll, Lunchbox Superhero. Greg the Sausage Roll is off to a new school for a super exciting adventure.
Dinosaur Club, on the trail of a T-Rex. Meet Jamie, a member of the Dinosaur Club. They are a network of kids around the world who love to share dinosaur knowledge, help identify fossils, post dino discoveries, and chat about the prehistoric things.
The amazing Eddie Eckhart, The Friend Mission. I have a disability called cerebral palsy, so I talk slowly and fall over a lot. It's never really bothered me, because I've never known anything else. It's the start of year 8, and there's a new girl in Eddie's class from America. Eddie can't wait to get to know Mia and her twin brother, Benjamin.
Gellir cyfnewid eich tocyn llyfr yn y siopau yma. You can exchange your book tokens in the following shops.
World Book Day, originally created by UNESCO that began on the 23rd of April 1995, has been pioneering children's book events since March of the same year. So what makes World Book Day this year different? In 2024, a massive 105,000 books are being distributed through a range of supporters and partners, including Book Trust's network of 6,000 local organisations who are working to distribute the £1 book tokens to the country's most disadvantaged communities, to encourage young people to discover the joy of reading. Lots of companies are donating money and a percentage of their sales to the World Book Day charity. There is a nationwide competition for children to design their own gift card using the theme Read Your Way. The winners will win hundreds of pounds worth of book tokens and a trip to a local bookshop for their school.
Os ydych yn hoffi cystadleuaeth, beth am rhoi tro ar y cystadleuaeth genedlaethol eleni, sef dylunio cedyn rhodd. Hwyl am y tro a mwynhewch darllen.